Episode 157 of the castle, we're already here. Today I moved so much stone, actually it wasn't that much, but it was a little bit, and I kept on going until the sea came in and was like, you should go inside. So I moved a bunch of stone, I picked it up from the main pile, and I'm slowly eating into that little first pile where the old castle was, and moving it over to the new one, and then reinforcing it with sticks. We got some visitors, and then I kept going, and then I came inside, and that was it. That's pretty much all that happens in this video, although you should stick around because I actually don't have a good reason. You don't need to stick around at all, but you can if you want. Alrighty, I'm gonna let the video play now.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins, now I'll get some gold doubloons.
Sonic in my source code, Omni kicks a hard road like an enderman. Take them all out solo, safety in numbers, thinking they can plunder. Then they come for me to disappear in the thunder. Lightning crackling, I grow like a sapling, strong like a tree. It's a forest they are battling, tasty little treats, salmon, cheese, and meat. I prefer fruit while I'm sitting in my seat, accusing me of all their fears. Their projection makes their tears. Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I get some gold doubloons.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, and a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine, and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
So I mine, and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish
Until I'm filled. Sleep under the stars with a crossbow spying on me with a drone that's low. Close one eye and I hack right in. Satellites record your every sin. Put me in a scope fast to act like an enderman. Wake up in the forest, guess what? Now I'm Slender Man. Give me back my pages, they all took me ages. Stealing all my blueprints cause they suck at being sages.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the
Uh-oh, the water's coming in. Look at it go. Oh, it's really fast. I've got to move this camera somewhere.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone,
gonna
2
move the
stones,
camera
and a
over here.
million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine, and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
I can't get a good angle.
Mine, and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish
Until I'm filled.
Alright, I
into
got
my
the
PC,
stones up to the top.
like stealing a DVD.
It's a little bit of a way down
I'm
now,
the
but
Trojan
gonna
horse,
shuffle
now
all
your
the stones
botnet
around.
is my news feed. Fruit salad can satchel charge, now we're playing Rust. Hexamine
Well,
and
I didn't
nitric
manage to get a
acid
whole
turn
lot
my
done this
enemies to
episode, but I did manage
dust.
to get a
Don't
little
worry,
bit
just a
done.
prank, bro, like
And
a prank you played
We've got
on me.
a slightly
It's
higher
just a little
wall down there, and we've
don't
filled
worry
in all the
about
steps
that
so there's
tree.
an extension of the platform. We have some visitors,
Get
the Monsterios are ripened
I'm really
nicely.
good at pranks, but I
Actually, no,
never
these
touch
ones
a
aren't really
boob. Just a
ripening that
normal
much because they're not in
human,
the
nothing to
sun.
see here. So whatever
When I
you were
want them
thinking,
to
don't
ripen, I
think
put
it
them in the
here.
sun.
Look into my neuralizer, I was
And they
never
slowly
here.
heal,
You said
like
that I
this one
can't, I say
here.
hold my beer.
Oh, look at
Just
that.
kidding, I don't drink low.
Delicious.
Okay, bye.
It's almost ready to eat. It'll just be like another day or two, and that delicious Monsterio pineapple banana will be ready to eat. Alright, getting down becomes a little bit of the hard bit now. I haven't really built in the stairs around here yet properly all the way. Hopefully I'll eventually put like a spiral staircase around here maybe, or a ladder. I'm not really sure. I'll figure something out. But in order to get down, I just gotta sort of carefully climb over these little stones at the moment. It's a little crude, but it works. And this is what we've done so far today. We made it go from ground level all the way to there. So I'm just going to lower the camera and you'll be able to see the progress. All of that on the outside layer was all just not there before, but now it is there. And the little walls over there are a tiny bit higher from yesterday's work. I will have to take the camera inside and then come back for the wheelbarrow. You can see the water's flooding everywhere. It looks like a lovely mirror. Anyway, Got to walk around here, and then I come back over here and I find the little special stone which tells me I can jump over, and then I go from this side of the moat to the other side, and then I have to jump the second ditch in order to get to the land bridge. So I come over here to this new platform that I made. It's like a little booster platform. Just step, I forgot. It's kind of like a drip leaf. You only get one jump and then it falls over. Also, it's about to rain. And last time, it was yesterday, I added this little extra section here, which I thought could be like a cannon tower or something later on. Oh! It's not perfect, but it'll do. I'm gonna have to get the wheelbarrow out now. I gotta take my shoes off, otherwise I'm gonna get wet socks. We're going to retrieve the wheelbarrow.
In a strap made of tan leather. Just gave us 6 minutes speech about an icebreaker. It used to be a gift, why not?
We did it. We got the wheelbarrow back.
Quickly over the horizon, stacking rocks in my walls and the olive eyes, I gotta stack them right with the right sizing, and then divide them into zones. Zippity zippity zap zap, zippity 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 zap zap. Spells rolling on my tongue, and now I take it all back. Zippity zippity zap zap, zippity 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 zap zap.